Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy back with another video. So today I am at Cats Park in Greenville, um, Roblox Greenville, as you can tell. But the vehicle I have behind me is only temporary until Blue Steel gets redone. But this is only a temporary vehicle. I'm sure you guys will love it. I love it as much as I drive it. But as you can tell, that it's the 2018 Buffalo HD 2500 limited tungsten mega cab. Here it is. I got new rims for it. The only thing that needs to be done is the tires. But everything is awesome. I like it. I believe it's flame red. So yeah, this one don't have the antenna, but I like the style, honestly. The fake tail lights, as you can tell. And it does have the lights. But what I think needs to happen is that this top mirror right here, once you get in, the mirror will flip up and down with the blinker on the out and in. But why do you need one that's in? When honestly the windows are black like always. Backup camera is on here as well. There's locks on this truck here. Bullhorn. I like the side step that they added. I really like that as well. So also they redone the backlight. I wish it was more visible, but it's alright. Yeah. Let's give her a start up. Get out of here. So, the other vlog that I done with me and my friend, what we were doing is, doing a mission. Of course, you see the blue dot. I couldn't do it, so I went to go find the pieces without it instead. And honestly, guess what we got? Kit. As you can tell on the license plate, it's Kit. I love this car. I thought about just getting rid of it, but honestly, my friend told me, don't, keep it as collection. So I am. Basically, I like Kit. Love Kit as well. And, you know, I'm keeping it as a collection. Because, honestly, I ain't keeping this truck, but it sounds really good. Seatback brand is on. No, it's not. Should be on shortly. But I like this truck. I like how they did everything. The event is pretty much over. See, at night you can see the top light, but for most trucks, they have, like once you back up, the lights on the top of the cab will turn white. I think it just makes it look better and cooler, but that's just my theory. Unleaded, $4, almost. Honestly, we're gonna, I mean, I guess you guys could say that, yes, this car top speed is about 126, maybe. I could be wrong. But today, we're gonna find out. $165, not bad. I did that one a little bit too early. But yeah, I basically told my friend that I'm gonna stop spending money like crazy. I think everyone should. I mean, honestly, yes, if your garage is full, which mine never is. To compares. Okay, there we go. Oops, that's neutral. There we go. So basically this truck value is 48 custom rims. So what we're gonna do, spray paint it and get extra money out of it. Because honestly, I mean, yeah, you're spending about $1,000 to $7,000, but it's well worth it, to be honest. So let's go with this. Red, brightness, red again, brightness, red again. They need to get that fixed. Hang on. What? So now let's see. Huh. Do it again. There we go. So take out a truck for temporary until we get the steel back. Excuse me. And guys, it just looks so sick. Start it up for the first time. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so sick. Nice. I'm old school, but this is so sissy. Okay, what about the blinker? Nice. Amazing. honestly, not too bad. For 1500, it's not that bad. But honestly, I mean, yeah, it could have been a lot worse, but damn. Like that, actually. Not too bad. So if you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Trying to reach 500 subscribers, so hopefully we do by the end of this month. And trying to get Blue Steel worked on. Honestly, I missed that truck, but you know, some things are getting worked on, so until then, I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.